Every single day, from morning to evening, we are presented with countless choices. No matter how minor, every choice we make has the power to influence our future. One choice make us suffer and the other choice make us comfortable. But you know what? These choices are the building blocks of your life. You have to make sure that all the bricks are strong and placed correctly. I don't know your name, but I can say that you already make the first correct step that can make you better than other people who are wasting their time. By watching hedonistic content, you choose to watch this video to learn something and implement it in your life. If you like my channel, then like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will explore the power of decision making and how it can lead you to the pinnacle of success. As I mentioned before, your decisions are building blocks of your life. You have to choose the strong bricks. Every single decision, from waking up early in the morning to going to bed fully tired by your tasks. Let's take an example. A guy sets his alarm for 6 a.m. in morning, and when the alarm rings, he snooze it and continue to sleep for another couple of hours. Then he wake up around 8:20 or 8:30 with the regret of not waking up early. But on the other hand, if that guy wake right away when he heard the alarm, he may feel a tiredness, but he doesn't gonna regret for this choice. There are many choices like this in our day-to-day life. But there are 4 main choices that can help you to build yourself. If you can control your urges and choose the right way while doing these things, you can uplift yourself from 99% other people out there. But remember, you have to make the right choice. Our first thing is diet. It is written in ancient Indian text Ayurveda that, if diet is wrong, then medicine is of no use, and if diet is correct, then medicine is of no need. If you want to live a healthy, disease-free life, then first thing that you have to do is to control your cravings and irregular food habits. You have to choose between homemade healthy food or factory shit. I personally have not consumed any kind of sugar from last 8 months. I feel tired and lethargic at first, but as time goes I feel that I don't need it anymore. Same goes with fried food. Some half-fried eggs on pan with little oil can be okay, but you should cut out the deep-fried shit your life. Second thing is consuming negative content. Nowadays, a never-ending supply of stuff, including social media updates and news items, are thrown at us. But what happens when the majority of this content is negative? War, inflation, viruses and other negative stuffs. This constant exposure to negative content is an unfortunate reality in our lives. This never-ending loop of sensationalism, inciting fear, and outrage is easy to fall into. Negative news and images can have a severe effect on our mental and emotional health when we are constantly exposed to them, because of the way that our brains are structured to respond to dangers. This is why consuming negative content may make you feel more stressed, anxious, or even depressed. It can make us feel hopeless and exhausted, like the world is going unstable. Third choice that everyone should make is not negotiating with workout. You have to understand that both of your body and mind are interlinked. A healthy body means a healthy mind, and regular exercise is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. It strengthens your muscles, improves your cardiovascular health, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Beyond the physical benefits, working out plays a crucial role in maintaining your mental health. Regular exercise can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Personally, when I started working out, I not only became physically stronger but mentally too. My newfound confidence spilled into all areas of my life. Fourth is using boredom to your advantage. We are all trying to avoid boredom. But what if I told you that boredom could be your secret weapon for personal growth and creativity? Being bored makes your mind wander, and when it does, it may find creative answers, novel concepts, and novel viewpoints. Personally, in my boredom I do journaling, planning for tomorrow and analyze my ideas for future. You have to teach your mind to focus and concentrate better on the work at hand by allowing yourself to be bored. You get more awareness of your thoughts and improve your ability to control them. That's all for today, see you next time.